Moving up, 65 kilograms, Ashlynn Ortega. Grace Stem. Stem in the blue, Ortega in the red. Right away, Ortega gets a takedown, leads 2-0. Looking for that gut wrench, goes back to the lace, goes up to the gut wrench. Keeping it a mystery. Gonna go back to the center of the mat, neutral. 2:40 to go. Ortega on the board right away. And they're gonna call it back up. 2:17 to go. Fresh start. And Ortega hits a double, has to switch off to a single, head to the inside. Stem sprawling out right now. You see Ortega not in a good position right now to score. Really stalemate in that situation was the best possible scenario. She was extended on that single leg position. So 1:53 to go in the first period. Ortega still holds that 2-0 lead. Stem kind of shoots there. 2-on-1 by Ortega. Right in the center of the circle. Shot attempt by Stem. Stem in on a shot. She's extended. Ortega has to clear that hand in order to be able to get around. You see her, she was holding on to that tricep, but they're going to call stalemate on that. Back to the center. 1:16 to go in the first period. Stem tries another shot. We've seen her go to that. See if she can keep firing off shots. And there's Ortega, double leg right at the edge of the mat. Adds another takedown. See if she can get a turn near the edge. She does not. They're going to go back to the center. 48 seconds to go in the first period. Extended shot by Stem. Ashlynn Ortega has that front headlock. Ortega takes a glance at the clock. What she'll see is 31 seconds to go in the first. Coming back to the center. She also sees she has a 4-0 lead. And Stem's been shooting, but there again, just the ability to counter by Ortega has been the storyline of this first period. She adds another takedown, so 3 takedowns for Ortega. That's why she has a 6-0 lead. Stem's just been extended on those shots. Not really a clean shot on Ortega yet, but she has fired off shots. There's another shot, and we are going to close out the first period. 30-second break for both wrestlers. 3 takedowns for Ortega, none for Stem. We've just seen some good defense by Ortega throughout the entirety of this. Even if she hasn't scored, it's just been some good defense, good action by both wrestlers, but right now it's Ortega's match to win. Stem trying to stay assertive and trying to get to the single leg, just shucks by, and there's 2 more for Ashlynn Ortega and goes right into a turn, so that's gonna end it. 4 takedowns, 1 turn. Ashlynn Ortega, your semifinal winner. You're going to see her tomorrow in the 2023 National Finals.